I come from a long line of storytellers. My grandfather was the first storyteller I was introduced to. He saw the way my eyes would light up when he transported me to other worlds with his stories. My father's father was a painter who loved to paint landscapes and people, capturing people and their stories with brushstrokes and color. With these two great storytellers as inspiration, it's no surprise that I became a visual storyteller. Mwani is a Swahili word for seaweed and the name of a long-term project I've been working on with a group of remarkable women in Zanzibar. For generations, the Mwani mamas have farmed seaweed in tune with the moon and tides of the Indian Ocean. Seaweed farming is an intergenerational practice in Zanzibar, and the women have always known about the power of the seaweed they grow through local knowledge passed down through generations. Zanzibar may be known as the Spice Island, but it's the seaweed industry that's shaking up its shores, tilting the balance of power in favor of women. As a developing coastal community, Zanzibar is vulnerable to the very real threats of climate change and social and economic inequalities. Tourism, while a welcome source of income, places pressure on the reefs, corals and wildlife, while Zanzibar's deforestation rates are one of the highest in the world. Seaweed plays a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance, producing oxygen and fighting climate change. The women play a vital role in the island as guardians of the ocean and its precious resources. The collective not only strengthens their connection to the ocean, but also fosters economic empowerment by teaching members to process and produce finished goods. This initiative enables the women to achieve greater self-reliance while sustainably utilizing the ocean's resources to create a unique skincare range from ingredients indigenous to Zanzibar. When I tell stories, I want to make beautiful pictures. I come from a filmmaking background, so I'm always looking for colors and textures and interesting light to create cinematic images. I'm in love with the world of color the GFX100RF allows me to create in. There's a history of understanding the visual world of color, and FUJIFILM has been a part of that history from the very beginning, with iconic film stocks like Provia, Velvia, and Acros. It's that history that has resulted in a camera that provides a rich color palette and great skin tones. Compact and lightweight are not synonymous with medium format, until now. The GFX100RF is small enough to carry with you all the time, yet it still gives you that medium format goodness. The image quality is incredible, resulting in crisp, high-quality images that feel true to life and filled with cinematic richness. The compact nature of the camera makes it easy to work in any environment and is well suited to street photography, photojournalism, and portraiture. I'm new to the FUJIFILM family and I really love how user-friendly the GFX system is. I want my gear to work for me and menus to be intuitive to create an easy workflow. The easy access dials make it quick and easy to change the camera settings to adapt to any situation. I work in a variety of environments ranging from dusty deserts to extremely humid coastal areas. I want my camera to be durable and reliable in all climates and situations. Whether I'm waist-high in water or trekking through the jungle, I want to trust my equipment and know that it can handle any situation. This camera is a little powerhouse that enables me to tell any story anywhere, and I love that. I love the aesthetic quality and design of the camera and the way I feel when I carry it. I want to make beautiful images, and I want to do that with a beautiful camera. FUJIFILM perfectly blends a deep respect for the history of photography with innovation, resulting in a beautiful cutting-edge camera. The digital teleconverter allows me to create with a variety of focal lengths, including 35mm, 45, 63, and 80mm. This enables me to create portraits, landscapes, and detail shots. All my work is done over long periods of time. I love going back to places over several years and seeing how the story evolves. People and places are dynamic and always changing, and I want to be there as that happens. And a lot of the time, I find that I grow with the stories I tell. I become the storyteller that I need to be for that particular story. I love that moment when the people I photograph become active participants in the creation of the images. when they begin to take ownership of their story and guide me to create images they feel are affirming of their identity. When I think about what I look for in a camera, I like to think of it as a partnership. I want to tell beautiful stories, and I want to do that with a partner who is going to give me all the tools I want and need to tell a good story.